it going, guys? Manny's on his helicopter. Anyway, what do you call these again, Zed?
Rosella parakeets.
Rosella parakeets. I saw a few of these in Australia. This is like a parrot hunt. Yeah. Now, should we keep going?
Yeah. Keep going up.
And those are the other ones I did in the last episode. Right, ooh, these are nice. What are they called?
That's a rainbow.
Rainbow lorikeet. Nice. And these are red Leroy. I don't know. Dad, these ones are big. Red Leroy's.
Red lorry.
Lorries.
Oh, look, they're kissing.
Really?
They're very close together.
Nice. Whoa! Calm down.
Should never walk away from
Just look at that view, guys. This is in Korea. That's awesome. Shout out to all the Koreans. You have a lovely home. That's a lovely view. Monkeys?
Yeah. Down over there. We can go down and see them later.
Yeah, okay. I want to see the monkeys. I would like to see the monkeys. That's a pretty cool win. Right, I'll see you guys later when we hit the monkeys. And I'll see you guys later. Say peace.
Yeah, nothing.
Peace.